Guys, welcome back Cooking with Nicole. Today we're making chicken Hawaii schnitzel. Okay, here's all our ingredients. We have our egg, we have our flour with some complete seasoning, we have our chicken, and we have our breadcrumbs. So let's go. So first we're gonna put our chicken. Get some breadcrumbs. And then repeat. Oh, sorry. Okay. Breadcrumbs. Then flour. Egg. And breadcrumbs. Okay guys, we're gonna fry our chicken schnitzel. Okay guys, we went ahead of time and prepared two because the potties are very small and they are big, so I do them one at a time. And this is the last piece. Okay, almost finished. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put our ham. And this is our Hawaii chicken schnitzel, so we're gonna put it in the oven. Roughly about 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna take out our chicken Hawaii schnitzel. Ooh, wow. Hi guys. Okay, here is our chicken Hawaii schnitzel. So we have our stir-fry veggie with eggplant, Chinese cabbage or carrot, and some mashed potato, garlic mashed potato, and a glass of iced tea. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.